Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play the Dragon Ball story event. Let's get the start. Go to this one, Dragon Ball story. So this event is based on the anime itself, the chronology of the anime. For example, this one, Dragon Ball saga. This is a Kid Goku. So this event based on the anime series. This is good start for a beginner or new player to get some Dragon Stone and recruit some character like Goku itself to begin this game. Or you can jump to Dragon Ball Z. Scroll down. This one, Dragon Ball Z saga. Like this is a Saiyan saga, this is Planet Namek saga and Ginyu Force, and there are many more that will come, like Android Cell saga, Buu saga has not updated yet in this Dragon Ball story mode. So if you are new to the game, please try this Dragon Ball story first before you touch the story event, so you can get awesome reward like a Dragon Stone and some free character that very good for beginner. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.